Deciding if vapor degreasing is for you can be vexing. While there are many benefits to vapor degreasing, there are a few limitations as well. This video will help determine if vapor degreasing is right for you. Part cleanliness is one of the major reasons companies use vapor degreasing. During manufacturing, machined parts may become contaminated or soiled in production. Therefore, removing contaminants before moving on to the next stage of the manufacturing process is necessary. When parts cannot be adequately cleaned with a cold solvent, a heated approach may be needed. Vapor degreasing is an efficient process used for contaminant removal throughout the manufacturing process. Parts are cleaned in the degreasing process by either heated vapor alone or vapor in combination with spray or immersion into a solvent. Because precision cleaning applications require the complete removal of contaminants while ensuring that new contaminants are not introduced in the process, vapor degreasing is an excellent alternative. The vapor degreasing process helps to pull the soil from the part while not introducing any new contaminants. In general, vapor degreasing can increase the speed at which parts are cleaned and increase the cleanliness of the parts cleaned. However, it's important to weigh your needs against this process because vapor degreasing requires the purchase of specialized equipment and the use of non-aqueous solvent. Vapor degreasing is an efficient, effective way to clean lots of parts fast, and it has the added benefit of not needing to wipe or dry any residue from the parts after cleaning. The parts are then ready for plating or whatever the next manufacturing step is. Vapor degreasing is fast, and in many cases can reduce the cleaning processing times by 50% to 90%. Solvents are the agent that removes the soil from the part. Different solvents have different performance characteristics and different price points. Additionally, some solvents have regulatory reporting requirements and worker safety exposure issues. Vapor degreasing solvents are non-flammable and exceptional at removing hydrocarbons and other contaminants like grease and machining oils. There are also the next generation of vapor degreasing solvents that are considered non-hazardous and safer than older solvents. But even with the new generation solvents, some companies are uncomfortable with bringing solvents into their facility. For many companies, consistency of cleaning is an issue. Some parts are cleaned well and others are rejected because of soils left after hand wiping, dipping, or other cleaning methods. Consistency of cleaning is a hallmark of vapor degreasing as it provides a complete 360-degree enveloping of solvent vapor around the part to clean and dry it. Additionally, automation via basket handling system, or hoist, will provide cleaning recipes to ensure every part is cleaned to the same specification repeatedly. A hoist is used to automatically lower the parts into the degreaser and remove them once the parts are cleaned. This is an additional piece of equipment not usually standard with a vapor degreaser. Much of the time, cleaning is done by hand using harsh chemicals, and this can be hard on workers. To reduce solvent emissions, vapor degreasers have two sets of refrigeration coils and a freeboard inside of the unit. The chilled coils create a stationary, cool air zone above the vapor zone that shields the vapor zone from drafts that could carry the vapors into the air. The cool air of the refrigeration zone presses down on the warm air of the vapor zone to keep it contained in the degreaser. Most new machine models come with this configuration and are required with the use of TCE or other NESHAP-regulated solvents. As with any new industrial machine purchase, there is a cost, and deciding to purchase a vapor degreaser is no different. The major short-term costs of a vapor degreaser come in the size of the tank, aka the throughput, automation, which is the basket handling system, whether ultrasonics are needed, and solvent usage, and of course, worker training. The long-term costs of vapor degreasing are solvent usage and routine maintenance. Vapor degreasing can enhance your cleaning operations. Choosing a vapor degreaser is a matter of understanding what your throughput needs are, the size of your parts, the type of soil you're cleaning, and the regulations of your state. This information will make your vapor degreaser search much more effective as you will be armed with an understanding of your requirements. Schedule your free consultation today.